Looking for a hair dryer not compact pero powerful? This is the Xiaomi Compact Hair Dryer H101 EU. Malit Lang Sha, Pero Malakazang Hangan. With 1 to 3 air levels, Ikaw Ang may control kung gano kalakazang airflow. May hot and cold air option, perfect for quick drying or pang final touch para mas smooth ang buhok. Lightweight, madaling dalhin, at hindi nakakapagod gamitin, perfect for home or travel. May gentle heat control kaya mas alaga ang buhok, less damage, more shine. Simple, sleek, reliable, package Shopee finds approved.